后期给它带这个。
什么意思？
就是这个插这个接头。
嗯。到时候颜色对颜色
接上那种。最主要是拆这个位置的时候，你给它拍一下照片。
嗯。
那个张一拿。
Now we are uninstall the gantry. The lines please connect it with the same color. When you receive this motor, you can connect it here because we put the screw here. We'll install this chain, the line chain. We put the PVC sheet on the machine table to protect your table surface. The two motors are the same in total, so it is no left or right. You can install anyone on the right or left. Those three lines are for the rotary. When you install, please take it from there to here, so you can use the rotary. If you don't want the lines comes out from here, you can no need through it. You can directly out the line from here. We will distinguish the three lines for you. Now the two-side motor is uninstalled. Limit also uninstalled. Off the chain now.